my YouTube channel. And in this particular video, I'm talking about this particular project called Xeffy. And in this particular video, I'm talking about how you'll be able to connect and register your wallet in the right way so that you'll be able to get your distribution at the time when the distribution will be on. I actually introduced this particular project to my community, I think, as of last week. We have actually been farming this particular project. It is easy as anything. So if you want to get started, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so you can upload any other new video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, it is free of charge. I'll drop you the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So I know a lot of people must have been doing this their wallet registration the wrong way. Yes, I kid you not, and I'll be explaining everything. That means if you're able to watch this particular video to the very end. So as at yesterday, this was the notification that we get from their Telegram account, and it reads those before showing you how you'll be able to connect it very well. So you see airdrop registration. You say the airdrop registration update for Xeffy mini app has been completed. Now, this is the boat. I'll be dropping the boat link in the description of this and also in the comment section of the live. They say please complete your registration by following the registration task inside the Xeffy mini app. For Twitter linking, please enter the handle of the Twitter account you use when registering the mini app. Don't change it. And some people do not even know what it is called. They don't even know what their Twitter account is. I'll be sharing it all with you in this particular video. And look at this. They say please connect your personal EVM wallet, a wallet that is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine and Zex. I've been seeing a lot of people connecting their sex wallet and not their Web3 wallet. All these things I'll be sharing with you if you're able to watch this particular video to the very end, because a lot of people will not even get their allocation at the time of distribution, and they'll be saying they did all things. Not that they did not do it, but they did it in the wrong way. Now they say mission 1 to 4 are mandatory and mission 5 is an optional mission. We are not responsible for any airdrop disadvantage or losses that may occur if these instructions are not followed. Can you see? As I say, a lot of people will not actually get the allocation. Important note for registration. So let me open my Sex Mini app, and so far so good. I've been able to gather 410. Let me check my referral. Let me check the number of referrals I have. I think okay, I have 22 referrals, so I have no tax left. So if you want to do yours, you come. This is it now. Airdrop account registration. So let me start. You tap on it. Look, important note for registration for Twitter linking. Please connect the Twitter account. I only have one Twitter account, which is what I'll be linking. I understand. You first tick this one. I understand. Then Discord handle. I'll be showing you. I have to put my Discord handle name here and my EVM wallet. For my EVM wallet, I'll be using my Trust wallet. I'll be using my Ethereum wallet for Trust wallet that I have. So let me quickly go and pick my Discord handle. So I'm currently now on my Discord server. So you can see the Xeffy account. I'm actually following them on Discord. So to get your username, after you log in, you come to the last section here. You tap on it. That is where you see every details about your user. Then you comes to edit. You scroll down. So this is what I need to copy now. You could see something here. It says legacy user badge. Yeah, I'll copy it and input it there. So I've actually done that. So it's meant for me to go and copy my Ethereum address on Trust Wallet, which you can use Metamask, yes, but you can use any Web3 wallet, but don't use Binance Wallet, don't use KuCoin Wallet or Bitget Wallet. Those are sex exchange. Yes, you can actually use any EVM wallet. This is what you need to know. Yes, so let me go and copy it. So I've actually copied it right now, and I've actually pasted so I've already connected long before now. I've already connected during the time of our social, during all those tasks in the earlier time. So I've actually connected my X account, which you can see here. So you can just tap here and tap on follow. So it will take you for where you'll be able to follow them. So let me follow this particular account. You just need to do all this thing because I believe that they will check everything to know that if you have actually following them. So make sure you do it. Don't try to boycott anything. So now let me check everything that I've actually done. So this particular other tax, this one that has pre-deposit, I'm not doing it because airdrop is free. You need to actually stake at least $1. I'm not doing it because it is optional according to them. As you can see here, it is optional. So let me tap on submit now after checking that all my details are correct.